Hi, welcome to my channel. So I am going to show you my LinkedIn scraper that will scrap link, name, tagline, location, website, about, connections, okay, and experience, as you can see, in JSON format, okay, and also if email available, it will be scrapped, okay. So also the pic of the user and skills. So here I am going to show you my code. So I have write this code to scrap the this data, okay. So let me run it and show you. So here is the code uh, of my bot. So I have activated the environmental variable, okay. So let me run it by using python main.py, okay. So it will do login automatically, okay, because bot has saved the session, so it does not need to log in again, okay. As you can see, my account has been loaded. So here will be a message will be displayed, okay. Okay, so the message has been displayed that cookies have been loaded, and then it is saying that search keywords, set filter, click on people tab, then press Y and enter. So what I need to do here, I need to set the keyword like leadership keyword, location will be, let me set it to people. As you can see, right now in database there is only 89 records, okay. So let me set the location, it is US, and show results, okay. So there is these are the results in the US. So now I need to just enter Y and press enter, okay. As you can see, scraper is doing its work, and here you can see the 89 results. For this you must need to have a LinkedIn Sales Navigator, okay. So for the first time it needs to set up some things to load the sessions, to load the backend APIs, and then there is no need, okay. So it has been loaded. Let me show you the data. Now as you can see, 90 records, okay, and 93. So as you can see on the browser, there is no reloading, loading, or any link. It is doing the work in background, okay. It is scraping almost all of the info of any profile, okay. let me check the, as you can see, United States. Okay, so let me set the filter. 15 results from United States, 17. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for your time. Bye.